Stay tuned for my lovely wholesale try-on haul. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a clothing haul featuring lovely wholesale. Stay tuned. So the first item is the lovely trendy hooded collar leather plaid print black two-piece skirt set. That was a mouthful. So this set comes with a crop top hoodie and a long pencil skirt. This set could be dressed up or dressed down depending on the look that you are going for. This set was $14.95, and let me show you how it looks on me. So again, this is the lovely trendy hooded collar leather plaid print black two-piece skirt set. So for starters, this set is not black, it is a navy blue. And the one con that I have on this set is the material. It is a polyester material. It looks more cotton on the model, and I definitely wish it was cotton material. But I do like the fit, I do love the style, and I definitely love the hood. I got this in a size large, and it fits perfect. So the skirt comes with an elastic band around the waist, and the material is pretty stretchy. I will give this outfit a 4 out of 5 just because of the material. The next item that I purchased is the lovely casual boat neck long sleeve two-piece pant set, and I got this in the colors blue, orange, and black. And these were each $16.49. And here is the lovely casual boat neck long sleeve blue two-piece pant set. I absolutely love this set. It's a comfortable fit. I love how the shoulders can be either off the shoulder for both, or you can do a one shoulder asymmetrical look. The material is knit and it is pretty stretchy. I also love the fitted sleeves on the shirt. Definitely loving this outfit. I got this in a size large and it fits really good. So here is the same set in the color orange, and I did order this in a size large as well, but I was sent a size medium, and it is fitting a little bit snug. It does work, but it is a little more snug than the blue set. And here is that same set in black, which I think is my favorite. Loving how the black looks. This one did come in the size large, so it fits just like the blue one fits. Definitely loving this outfit. Very cute, very comfy, very cozy. So I'm definitely going to give these three sets a 5 out of 5. Very cute, very comfortable. And the last two items are the lovely casual turtleneck loose two-piece pant set. And I got this in the color pink and the color gray. And these sets were $18.49. And the last two sets that I get are the lovely casual turtleneck loose two-piece pant set. This one is in the color pink. It is a knit material. I love the batwing sleeves, and I love the turtleneck and the slit on the side. You do have to be careful with the slits on the side though, because they do come up pretty far. So just make sure you pull the pants up so that you're not exposing yourself. The material is so comfy and it feels so good, and I also like the fitted sleeves towards the end. So here is the same outfit in the color gray. The only con that I have for these two outfits are that the material kind of sticks to you, kind of like a static cling sort of thing, if you can see there. But other than that, very cute suit. I will definitely give these two a 4 out of 5, only because of that static cling, which I could probably work on getting that out. Maybe stick it in the dryer on cool setting with some dryer sheets. I'm not sure. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I will leave all the information for all of the items in the description box in case you want to purchase any of these. And I will also leave a discount code from one of my girlfriends who has a discount code from them, and you can use her code to save some money. Thanks again for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.